This is the Ulanzi MT44, and today's vlog, guys, we have a new cheapest tripod for your mobile and camera. So again, guys, we have here the Ulanzi TT51. Ulanzi TT51. Alright. So it's a compact tripod, a cheap compact tripod that perfect for smartphone and camera, small compact camera. So let's check this new Ulanzi TT51 and let's check the quality. But again, guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. But before we start into our topic on this tripod, guys, if you need background music for your film or for your videos, either if you are content creator, vloggers, or filmmakers, check the audio. And guys, again, the audio is a platform that you can download new and fresh music every day, and background music or sound effects, you can find it to the audio. And again, they have a cool AI. They have the link match and the Hans AI. The link match is an AI that you can copy similar song from YouTube or TikTok. For example, if you like the song or music from the TikTok or for YouTube, you can copy the link and paste it to the link match, and it will match a similar sound or beat, and the link match will give you tons of sample that match with a similar song, like a similar beat. So yan. And there's also an Hans AI. The Hans AI is a script. You can put the script, you can put whatever you want, like a wedding or anything that you need for your background music. Then the Hans AI will give you or recommend you similar song that you need for your script in the Hans AI. So yan. Again, guys, if you want to avail a 70% off from the Audio Pro in 1 year, just check the link on this description and you will find the link and put the same 70 to get a 70% off on your Audio Pro for 1 year. So yan, guys, check the audio. So let's proceed to our Ulanzi TT51 product for today. Again, it's a cheaper version mini tripod or compact tripod. It's the ball head. So again, this is the ball head from Ulanzi, and this is the tripod. Okay. So yeah, it's very compact. The quality and the price, guys. Again, the price of this as of today, it's $99.50. So it's perfect. Just cut here, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you now this tripod. So guys, I attached already the tripod. Yeah. So okay. The quality is, for the price, is good enough, guys. For the $99.50, and yeah, it's good for compact camera and mobile or smartphone. So just twist and so this is the maximum height. Okay, so this is the maximum height, and if you want to put your mobile, just this one. Okay, then voila. Okay, you have a ball head, you can pan, and you have a cold shoe on this side, so you can put a microphone and yeah, lights, LED lights. So this is if you want to use a compact camera, let's use any compact camera. I have a compact camera here. Okay, we have the Panasonic Lumix GX85 or GX85. Done. Right, then done. So you have compact tripod for your travel. You have a compact camera, and for mobile, check this Ulanzi TT51. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this, actually it's $99.50 for 80 dinar. So if you want to check the availability, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So again, guys, if you want to check all the Ulanzi product that we have here in AB World, check our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay!